I'm Miss Joan from Bemis Public Library, and this is my friend Winston.
Hey there, everybody. Welcome to story time.
Why, thank you very much, Winston.
I haven't seen all the kids in a while. It's nice to see all my friends.
Yes, it is, Winston. Nice to see all our friends. Would you like to do the opening?
I would. I'm so glad you're here today. Everyone say hi.
Hi!
Stand up tall, spread your wings, reach up to the sky. Tickle your ears, tickle your nose, tickle your knees and tickle your toes. Now reach back up and grab a cloud. Float down, float softly to the ground. It's story time.
Why, thank you very much, Winston. And I'm going to put you right here. And today we have a great book. It's Mama Cat Has Three Kittens by Denise Fleming, and it's read with the permission from Henry Holt and Company. Mama Cat has three kittens, Fluffy, Skinny, and Boris. When Mama Cat washes her paws, Fluffy and Skinny wash their paws. Boris naps. Can you go like this? Shh. When Mama Cat walks the stone wall, Fluffy and Skinny walk the stone wall. Boris naps. When Mama Cat sharpens her claws, can you go like this and sharpen your claws? Fluffy and Skinny sharpen their claws. Boris naps. When Mama Cat chases leaves, Fluffy and Skinny chase leaves. Boris naps. When Mama Cat digs in the sand, can you dig with me? Dig, dig. Fluffy and Skinny dig in the sand. Boris naps. When Mama Cat curls up to nap, Fluffy and Skinny curl up to nap. Boris stretches, yawns, washes his paws, and pounces. Pounces is another word for jumps. On Fluffy, Skinny, and Mama Cat. Then Boris naps. Can you go like this? And there's the little mice. They're all gonna nap too. Thank you for joining us today for Story Time. We hope you stay healthy and safe.